We'll guide you through how to fix mic echo on a Windows PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying as then it can go and be heard again, whether that's while recording or speaking to somebody. To get started, right-click on the sound icon in the bottom right of your computer and press Sound Settings. Scroll to the bottom and you need to find More Sound Settings and click there. In this pop-up, you need to go and press Recording at the top. Scroll down and double-click on your microphone. Press levels, and what you want to try doing is decreasing microphone boost. Then what you can do is go and increase microphone if it's then too quiet. Press apply, press OK, see if that improves it. The next thing you can try doing is pressing search at the bottom, type in device manager and open this up. And then you want to go and find audio inputs and outputs and press the arrow to the left at the top to expand it. Now you want to go and find your microphone and you want to go and double click on it. Then press driver, and what you can try doing is pressing update driver. Do an automatic search, go and see if there's anything available. If there is, go and do it. The next thing you can try doing is going and opening up your audio drivers. Now, I use Realtek, and that's how my microphone is used through my motherboard. So yours may be different. You may go and have a specific one for yours. Go and open it up. Go and see if there's any setting we can use, like acoustic echo cancellation on this. And I can also go and use noise suppression as well. And we can go and see if that solves it. Hopefully it does. If it still doesn't, try using headphones instead of speakers, as well the sound can get picked up.